Welcome to this month's Read Aloud story from the PRC-Saltillo AAC Literacy Planner. This month's story is called Oliver's Tree, written by Kit Chase. In the planner, you'll find a lesson plan to show you how to teach and model the target words for this month, as well as fun extension activities for added practice. Don't forget to check out the tip offered by someone who uses AAC, their parent, teacher, or speech-language pathologist. Want a print copy of the planner? Ask your PRC-Saltillo consultant for a free copy or download your copy from our website. Remember to use the smart charts we've included for target vocabulary for Unity 84 Sequenced and LAMP Words for Life Full. If you need a different configuration, you can download our free PASS software or use the smart chart generator on the AAC Language Lab to make your own. Use the smart charts to help you locate the target words when you're reading the story. The target words for this story include big, happy, he, play, and elephant. Take time as you read the story to pause and model these target words, and then give your AAC learner time to respond and make comments with these words. For some added practice, teach the pronouns I, she, and they as you're talking about the story. You can begin reading by taking a picture walk. This is a great way to build background knowledge and get ready for reading the story. First, start by looking at the cover. Encourage your reader to make predictions about what the story might be about. Talk about the title. This story is called Oliver's Tree. The author's name is Kit Chase. And then maybe ask a question. What do you think this book will be about? Or make a comment. I see an elephant. I wonder what he's doing. Let's take a picture walk to learn more. Here are some animals. Look, I see an elephant. Elephants are usually big. What do you think he is doing? The elephant looks like he's trying to reach the tree branch. I wonder if this story will be about some animal friends. Let's read it and find out. Oliver's Tree. Once there were 3 friends, Lulu, Oliver, and Charlie. There's the elephant and his 2 friends. What do you think they're going to do? They love to play outside. Ready or not, here I come, said Oliver. So Oliver is the elephant. He is hiding behind a tree. I think they are playing a game. Oliver spotted Lulu. He jumped and jumped, but he couldn't reach her. That's not fair, said Oliver. Trees are out of bounds. But trees are the best hiding spots, cried Lulu. Not all trees are the same, Charlie said. We'll find a tree you can play in too. Oliver the elephant wants to play with his friends. They need to find a tree that's not too big. I understand why Oliver wants to play with his friends. So they found another tree. Look, said Lulu, this one's low to the ground so you can climb it. But it was too small. Oliver couldn't fit. Poor Oliver, he just wants to play with his friends. He does not look happy. Oliver is too big for that tree. What do you think they will do? So they found another tree. Try this one, said Charlie. The branches are bigger. But it was too tall. Oliver still couldn't reach his friends. What will they do now? Our elephant friend cannot reach the tree. The tree is too big. He just wants to play with his friends. How do you think that makes him feel? So they found one more tree. Perfect, Lulu said. We can help you up. Do you think that tree will be a good one for Oliver? I don't know if it will or not. She said they would help him. They're trying to find a way they can all play together. Do you have any ideas? And it was just right until there's Oliver up in the tree. What do you think might happen with an elephant up in a tree? Oliver looks pretty happy right now. Crash! Oh no! Poor Oliver. Maybe that's why an elephant shouldn't climb a tree. Do you think he was too big? I bet he's not happy now. It's hopeless, cried Oliver. Elephants just don't belong in trees. Do you think an elephant belongs in a tree? He just wants to play with his friends. What do you think they should do? Oliver walked until he was too tired to take another step. He looked so sad. He just wants to play with his friends. He needs to find a tree that's just the right size for him. When Lulu and Charlie found him, Oliver was fast asleep. Poor Oliver, said Charlie. He's so sad. I wish we could help him. I have a plan, said Lulu. She has a plan. I wonder what it is. Lulu searched high. There she is, high in the tree. And Charlie searched low. They gathered sticks and moss and pawfuls of leaves. She said she had a plan. I wonder what it is. What do you think they are doing? Then they rolled and patted and tinkered and nudged until everything was perfect. I bet they're making something so their elephant friend can play with them. What do you think they're making? Surprise! They shouted when Oliver woke up. Where am I? Asked Oliver. In a tree, said Charlie. It's not too small and not too tall, Lulu said. It's a tree house, perfect for all of us. Hooray! Trumpeted Oliver. There's Oliver in his tree house. Doesn't he look happy? Now he can play with his friends. They were so nice to build him a tree house. This is the best tree in the world. He sure looks like a happy elephant to me. He's not too big for this tree, and now he can play with his friends. They will have so much fun together. What do you think it would be like to play in a treehouse like that? The end. Now Oliver the elephant can play with his friends. He has the right size tree. I think that was a great story.